daisies grew and the blackbird came dancing, filling the sky with magical singing. Fresh morning dew and the spring golden sun, wearing our shoes, delighting our love. Meet me at dusk when the blue meets the stars. We'll walk to the sea. We'll dive and swim and dream. Shall the sea breeze fill our lungs with hope, so we walk through the fog, singing with joy when a new sun shines bright
and the mountains know now.
When the blackbird comes back, we'll be yours well with them. And we'll dance through the days and we'll smile every eve and we'll kiss goodnight every night. And we'll dance through the days and we'll smile every eve and we'll kiss goodnight every night. Dusk when the blue meets the stars, we'll walk to the sea.